In this video we're going to be making these link sections here. So this is using 2mm aluminium wire, and you can use them as link sections in a bracelet like I've done here. There. So you can do this pattern with other wires like copper craft wire, but I'm using aluminium. So you want 14 centimeters of aluminium wire, wire cutters to be able to cut your wire to that length, round nose pliers and flat nose pliers. So we're going to be working left and right. So whatever we do to the left hand side, we do to the right hand side. So first of all, we are going to create a loop at one end. Use the thickest part of your pliers to create your loop, because we want a nice chunky loop in there. So we're going for a P-shaped lollipop. So a P-shaped loop in there. So that's the letter P. So we're going to do the same to this side. So what we've done to that side, but we're going to go in the opposite direction. So I'm going to flip that down so that I can curl up then. So we're going to have one going down and the other one going up. So you want your loops going in the opposite direction. So we're going to curl. There we go. So one is going down, the other one is going up. And then remember, whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. So we're going to place my pliers in next to that loop. And there. The pliers are staying straight, and it's the wire that's moving. So we're going to push this wire anti-clockwise, so like that. And then we're going to now push these in towards each other. I'm going to push that one down and that one down. So we have that. And now we're going to push this and this together now. There we go. So that's your pattern. So that one is similar to that one there.